Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video lined up for you. If you're someone with diabetes or looking to maintain stable blood sugar levels, you're in the right place. We'll be sharing some delicious salad recipes that are not only diabetic-friendly, but also packed with flavor and nutrients. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to support our channel. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered why salads are a great choice for individuals with diabetes? Well, let's find out. Salads are an excellent way to incorporate a variety of fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your diet. They are low in carbohydrates, which helps in managing blood sugar levels. Plus, they provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that are beneficial for overall health. Recipe 1. Crunchy Mediterranean Salad. Our first recipe is a crunchy Mediterranean salad. It's bursting with vibrant colors and flavors. This salad is not only delicious, but also rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and fiber. It's a perfect combination of fresh vegetables, olives, feta cheese, and a tangy dressing. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Recipe 2. Asian-inspired chicken salad. Next up, we have an Asian-inspired chicken salad. This recipe is packed with protein and Asian-inspired flavors. This salad features grilled chicken, crunchy veggies, and a zesty dressing. It's a satisfying and balanced meal that will keep you energized throughout the day. Recipe 3. Quinoa and avocado salad. Our final recipe is a quinoa and avocado salad. Quinoa is a great alternative to traditional grains, as it has a low glycemic index and is rich in protein. This salad is not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients, including healthy fats from avocado and protein from quinoa. Now that we've explored these fantastic salad recipes, let's talk about customizing them to suit your preferences. You can experiment with different vegetables, proteins, and dressings to keep things interesting. Remember to choose low-carb vegetables, opt for lean proteins, and use homemade dressings to control added sugars. Feel free to get creative and make these salads your own. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you enjoyed these diabetic-friendly salad recipes and found them helpful. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet is crucial for managing diabetes, and salads can be a delicious and nutritious addition to your meal plan. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more diabetes-friendly recipes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.